Hi, it's Mims and I'm going to show you my 3-product wash day routine using these. So I'm going to be using the Curl Repair shampoo, the Curl Repair conditioner from Umberto Giannini, these. Really nice products, so I'm going to show you them soon. And then I'm going to be styling using the Umberto Giannini Curl Jelly. This is a staple for so many curlies, but actually quite new to me. So I'm going to let you know what I think of it and whether it's going to be staying in my rotation of products. Well, fancy seeing you here. Right, I'm going to get this hair wet and use this shampoo. So now that my hair's wet, I'm using the Curl Repair Prepare and Grow shampoo from Umberto Giannini. I think it's gone all foggy. Now I think we're all good. So I'm using this one. It smells to me so much like cocoa butter, but it doesn't have cocoa butter in it, so go figure. I'm using this much. It does give a lovely lather, so I'm just going to show you that. I'm just going to get at the top and at the back and in the middle. Doesn't feel at all drying, but it does give a really good lather. It actually doesn't look very lathery, but it feels very cleansing. That's good. Yeah, you can't see too much lather really, for what you can feel. I've got that all over my roots, so I'm going to rinse that off, then apply the conditioner. So I'm now going in with my Curl Repair conditioner. It's the Repair and Grow conditioner, as you can see. And I've used this much, which to be fair should probably do most of my hair. Boop. So I'm just going to start at the mids and then work the way to the lengths. It's super moisturising, really nice conditioner. Again, to me it smells like cocoa butter, but doesn't actually have cocoa butter in it. So it's a mystery. Again, when I was looking at the ingredients, there was a fair bit of coconut oil, and my hair normally doesn't like coconut, but it got on really well with it. So again, a bit of a mystery for me. So this feels really good. It doesn't feel like it really needs any more moisture from a conditioner. So I've started to finger detangle slightly, and then I'm going to go in with my brush. That's just what I normally do, just to make sure it is getting properly detangled. Okay, that's that side. Okay, I think it's pretty much done, but I'm just going to go in with a brush. So I use, as I mentioned before, just an old wet brush. It's like a paddle brush. The individual spiky bits aren't too close together. It's a million years old and it's great. It's this one. I really do think that any would do, as long as the bristles, there we go, aren't super close together, it would be fine. Okay, so my hair's nicely detangled now, and I feel like there's plenty of conditioner in there. I'm not going to apply any more. I'm just going to carry on just with my other bits I need to get done in the shower, then rinse it off. See you soon. Hi. So I've rinsed off my conditioner. I'm now actually going to use a little bit of the conditioner again as a styler. So I'm just using a little bit. I'm using about this much, and I'm going to rub between my hands and apply it to my hair using praying hands. I've got the back of the hair. It feels super moisturising, but doesn't feel like it weighs your hair down at all, so I feel like you can get away with it a bit. And now I'm just kind of breaking through, just getting it all over. I am putting it on sopping wet hair. I do like putting products on sopping wet hair, but the next step I won't. And I'll tell you why soon. So that's evenly distributed. Just lifting it off my scalp a bit. There we go. So now I'm just going to scrunch up. And now following in with a microfiber towel just to get rid of the excess moisture, and then I'll plop. So that's my hair
hair wrapped up now. I'm going to leave it while I get ready and get dressed and all the rest, and then I'll come back to you. So I'm back. I'm a bit out of puff because I decided to moisturise because I need to, and then decided to put leggings on, and it was a bit reminiscent, you know, those early 90s super skinny jeans that you used to get from Topshop, like that. It felt like that, but I love leggings, so here we are. Anyway, so I've had my hair up in this turban for about 5 or 10 minutes, and it's just not as wet. I'd also scrunched out some of the excess moisture. Look at this, look at this. And now I'm going to apply this. So, it's the Umberto Giannini Curl Jelly, scrunching jelly at the bottom. So, I hadn't tried this for the longest time, and it's a super frequently used product amongst curlies. It seems to be quite staple, and I just hadn't tried it. So, I don't know if it's because of my undying love for Pantene mousse, or I just don't know. I just never had tried it. But I started giving it a go recently, following my last haul. And I am enjoying it. So the first time I used it on sopping wet hair, and I quite like a crunch because I feel like it really protects my curls, and then I scrunch it out and all is well with the world. But I felt like it wasn't super, I don't know, it didn't give a super strong hold when used on sopping wet hair. However, love using it on damp hair. It's brilliant. I'm just going to have a look now, just out of curiosity, whether it actually tells you to apply it on damp hair. This is often a thing. This is often that, you know, the people that make the product know how it works best. But I don't read stuff. Anyway. Oh, it doesn't specifically say. So apply jelly evenly through mid-lengths and ends of hair and scrunch dry with a diffuser or leave to air dry. So it doesn't say that you should use it on wet or dry hair, damp hair. So I'm just going to go in and scrunch it in like it suggests, because again, I find that actually works the best. So I'm using this much to start off with. I love that it's bright pink. Well, bright. For a gel. Definitely doesn't leave a pinky colour on your hair or anything like that. Smells really nice, clean, fresh, really like it. Different scent to the shampoo and conditioner that I've just used. So I'm just going to scrunch it in like this. I'm just going to go further back so you can see. I'm just going to get a little bit more for the other side. And I've kind of got most of the back, but I'm just going to apply a little bit more just for the very backs of my hair. Backs of my hair, back of my hair. A little bit more. I can see me getting through this product a lot. I just love it. I really like it. So I seem to keep going back to it, and I'm probably going to end up using it quite quickly. But oh well. I'm just going to flip it forward to get the back of my hair better. Now I'm just going to get a microfiber towel and just get rid of the excess moisture before going in and drying it. Here we have it. I feel like if I don't go in with a microfiber towel, it can take me quite a long time to get my hair dry. So I like to just do this quickly before drying my hair. And now to diffuse. And now my hair's dry. I've got to say, I absolutely love the curl jelly. It's so nice. It has left a firmish cast in my hair, but that's because I quite like to apply more than what I probably need, and I quite enjoy applying it on damp hair. I prefer a stronger cast. I mean, it's still not like crunchy or anything, but I prefer a bit of a stronger cast just because I think it leaves my curls nicer, more defined. I just prefer it that way. It's definitely a product that if you don't like the cast in your hair, then you can apply on less damp hair, and it won't leave that. It still works well, but I just enjoy it. So I'm now going to scrunch out. Just going to do the other side. And then fluff out my roots. And there we have it. I just love it. It's super shiny, really nicely defined. It feels lightweight and bouncy. And I can definitely see why the curl jelly is a favourite, without a doubt. It's just a really, really nice product. Like I said as well, the shampoo conditioner, they're just really nice. The shampoo doesn't feel stripping. It feels cleansing, definitely, but it doesn't feel like it's stripping your hair and drying it out at all. The conditioner, again, does really, really well. You don't need to use tons. And I ended up using a little bit as a styler. Maybe I should have used a styler, but I quite like it when you can just use a handful of products and not have to have your bathroom full of bits and bobs. I hope you found it helpful. If you're new here, please do consider subscribing. It means an awful lot to me and it really helps to support this channel. See you next time.